This is the dumbwaiter at the Richard Mellon, maybe King or something, Mellon Hall of Science at Duquesne University in Uptown / Bluff, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's an old Marshall dumbwaiter with C.J. Anderson black buttons and peely doors. That's the rear side of the passenger elevator, which is locked inside the elevator. And there's a bunch of crap in this room, but I'm guessing it's not like that in the other floors in this area. Despite all the crap, this dumbwaiter still works, which is pretty neat. Let's open it up. Got a 2-port inner gate. Some pads on the bottom of the dumbwaiter. It's a pretty tall dumbwaiter. There's three lights, which what's cool is all 3 of these work. Pretty cool. Goggles positively must be 1. That's interesting. The old Marshall plaque, the gold one. I've seen a lot of the old Marshalls. That's an old certificate from like 2008 to 2012. I don't even need a flashlight because all these lights are nice and bright. Turn my camera in the back of the dumbwaiter. All right. Hi. Let's close it up. Oh, wait, we'll get this first. How about that? So yeah, that is my phone riding in a vintage Marshall dumbwaiter. Luckily, my phone did not get trapped. The dumbwaiter never got stuck. Here's the dumbwaiter. Big courtesy to the next person. Close it up. Actually, let's turn off the light first. I already got all my pictures. Knowledge at least. Not sure what the light is from. Maybe it didn't use light, but it didn't light up. So I don't know. Alright, there it is, and that's gonna be it.